Hi there, everyone. Bernie Tully, Pittsburgh attorney. Welcome to our Facebook group page for death cases and surgery cases in Pennsylvania, the western half of Pennsylvania primarily. And we're so excited to welcome you to this group because the concept we're going with is a new one. And it's not to sell you anything. Not an attorney saying we can do this for you, we can do that for you, and all that malarkey. It's just to provide you with information, legal information for situations where somebody else caused your injuries that required surgery, or if you have a loved one in your family that was tragically killed through somebody else's fault, to provide you with hopefully valuable information that you can use. So today, with that as a background, just want to talk to you about if you happen to be the victim of a person who was texting while driving and caused your injuries. If it's a rear ender, they just weren't paying attention. They came up, you're stopped at a light, and they came up and they whacked you from behind, and it's determined they were using their cell phone at the time, or God forbid if they were texting while they were driving, that's why they just didn't see you, what you should do. They did a study at Carnegie Mellon that said that texting while driving is the equivalent of driving drunk. It's the same idea. Even though the person's sober, it's the same reaction time for your ability to stop your car, for example. So if you happen to be this victim who was hit by somebody that was texting while driving, what should you do? As a practical matter, what we tell people, if they have an attorney, what they should do is to insist that the attorney file what is called a claim for punishment or punitive damages. Now, why would you do that? Because punishment damages are designed to deter others from similar conduct in the future. And you can see that society wants to stop people from texting and driving. And the value financially to a punitive damage claim is that is money that you can be awarded by a jury in addition to your regular compensation for your pain and suffering and your surgery and your wage loss. So let's say you for your compensation part of the case, it's worth $100,000 for multiple surgeries and liens and everything else. If you make a claim for punishment damages, punitive damages, the law allows you to add on to that $100,000 for what a jury might determine would be adequate compensation to deter this wrongdoer from doing it in the future, or anybody else that's driving a car. So it's a very valuable tool that you could use. And my suggestion for you, my one suggestion for this video today, is to insist that if you file a lawsuit, that your attorney include a claim of punitive damages in your case. For some reason, not every lawyer is doing that, and I'm kind of baffled why. But we strongly suggest you do that, and that's our advice for you today. I'd like to get your feedback on these things, if you had this kind of situation. Again, there's no pressure at all. It's just to try to maybe share an experience you might have had, and let's have a discussion going. Bernie Tully, hope you're having a good day.